demonstrates insulation panel prefabricated house installation with an animated video. Factory prepped houses are broken down into panels, transported to the site by truck where the position is marked, and laid out with anti-decay wood and wood silicone insulation materials fixed in place with a chemical adhesive to secure and root them to the ground. Seal the corners with caulk, install the first panel, then install the second panel on the other side. Use specialised SIP nails for securing. For more details, please refer to the installation guide. This arch floor uses SIP panels, typically featuring a 2-layer solid wood structure. Metal connectors make installation easy and offer better sound insulation and load-bearing performance. SIP structural housing is more like building with blocks. With some basic training, anyone can do it, reducing the need for skilled labour and cutting down on construction costs. For the installation of SIP panels on beams and roofs, it's usually recommended to use a crane for assistance. This can increase speed and safety,